Soon as they say no work, first thing on my mind, let's get some fajitas, let's get some beer. I don't know if that's normal to everybody else, but that's normal to me.
Mama, there goes that man.
Welcome back to the old song.
See, at night I can't sleep. I toss and turn. I fuck with.
Only in Texas, bro. Only in Texas. We out here. I got called off of work today. You know what I'm saying? Because of the winter storm. And what doing? Out here barbecuing. Said, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Gotta take advantage of my 5-day weekend around this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Plus the Arctic storm. The weather's great out here. No cap. It's cold as balls out there. But I got the essentials. You know what I'm saying? Chicken on deck. What else we got in here? They have some spicy habanero chicken. I wanted to try that shit out. You know what I'm saying? And the reason why we even went fajitas. Let's go. Of course, you know what I'm saying, on deck. Yeah, understand, this is the only way to do it the right way in Texas. You feel me? It's so cold out here. We don't even need a fridge anymore. Of course, what's a barbecue without a good glizzy, you feel me? So Christmas weekend update. It's getting crazy out here, man. As everybody knows, the fucking winter shit came through, you know what I'm saying? It's fucking 20 degrees outside right now. Oh, it's Saturday, by the way. Christmas Eve. 20 degrees outside. Night before last, okay, let's take it back. The last year, whenever the freeze came through, it froze up the pipes and shit, and bust the pipes in my house. You know what I'm saying? Water coming through the fucking ceiling falling down, all type of fucking crazy shit. You know what I'm saying? So we try to get ahead of the game, you know what I'm saying? Cut the water off at the main. We thought we did it last time, but we cut the water off at you know what I'm saying? Like we thought it was the main, but it wasn't. You know what I'm saying? So we didn't know we had to cut it off at the street. We thought it was like a shut-off valve for the house. That's what we was told, and it was not. So anyways, long story short, the electricity go out, pipes freeze, and bust. You know what I'm saying? So this year, we just came outside, cut the water off at the main, you know what I'm saying? Drained the pipes, said fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Just in case, you know, never know what the fuck gonna happen. We didn't think the electricity was gonna go out last time, but it did, so, okay, boom. Well, we wake up the next morning, try to turn the water back on and fucking, you know what I'm saying, take a shower, do all the whole little shit. And yeah, the water's frozen at the main. You know what I'm saying? At the main shut off shit. You know what I'm saying? So it didn't warm up yesterday over freezing. So it didn't it didn't do shit for getting the water running. And so yeah, we've been without water for, you know, that night or whatever, and then, you know, the whole day yesterday. So I'm on my way right now. Carmen and Mama's at the gym. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my way to the gym. You know what I'm saying? We gotta thug it out like some homeless motherfuckers. You feel what I'm saying? Gotta get in there and get this shower on. You heard? I'm gonna get this workout in first, and then, you know, shower up and get ready for Christmas. Hopefully it warms up enough to you know, melt this pipe, man. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, or else we're gonna be fucked without water. You feel what I'm saying? And we're gonna have to be cooking Christmas dinner and shit, no water. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Anyway, let me get to the gym. It's fucking cold out here, bro. Yeah, watching the Seahawks get their ass kicked. Not fun. Anyways, back from the gym. You know what I'm saying? Kicking it at the crib. Watching this football shit, waiting on the Cowboys. You know what I'm saying? Terry over there, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Man, we up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, ugly sweater, party savior. You feel me? Turning that water into wine. You heard? Carmen over there cooking it up. You know what I'm saying? Listening to Christmas shit. I don't need your permission to record you. I don't. I record whenever fuck I want to. Believe that. Update on the water, still not on. Hey, it sucks taking a fucking shower at the gym, bro. That shit is weird as fuck. I ain't putting none of the gym shit in here because I don't know if y'all even fuck with that shit, but yeah, I was just, it was busy as hell too. There were so many fucking people in the gym. It's crazy. I wouldn't think that there would be that many people in the gym today, but there was. But yeah, just waiting, about to eat, watch the game. Then we open in the prison. And of course, Carmen cooking up that good Mexican food. Got a Christmas outfit too. You know what I'm saying? Out here styling. Got the hood with the fur on it. Out here making major puppy moves, you heard? It's going crazy, y'all. Sure.
Trying to get lined up.
Weirdo. Merry Christmas, bro.
Zero coverage. There's nobody back for Dallas.
Minshew fires. It is caught. Touchdown, Philadelphia.
He's scared of it.
They just scored.
Yes, sir. You want to go stand up on? How about them?
You can add that over there if that's
For a Dallas defense that was just selling out and bringing everybody on the blitz.
Get it, cuz.
For the Eagles, converting
Yeah.
multiple third downs on that one. 13 plays, 75 yards.
Fuck.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Hey, Buster. Where's their water coming from, though?
I didn't turn this. I closed this.
It's coming out of somewhere.
I mean, it's tight right here. This thing wouldn't move before.
So what happened? Was that like the release valves? Or is that supposed to go into the house?
This, when you turn this, you can use this
Okay.
to water the grass.
Okay.
But this was stuck on open, but this is off, so like,
Okay.
you know, whatever. But I guess it must have,
Something
whenever I
came,
was thawing this out.
something came loose.
Yeah.
Maybe we need to turn
So if this is
something.
off now, maybe it'll force it into the house.
Maybe.
But you can always return more.
Oh, no, I ain't right.
y'all Christmas morning, doing the, you know what I'm saying, good old. About to get in here and make that motherfucking French toast, you heard? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got in the Christmas weekend with a cool little workout, man. I'm about to catch y'all up real quick. I was hyped about my, you know what I'm saying, long weekend, my long 5-day weekend and shit. You know what I'm saying, at the beginning of this shit, but, you know, things change, man. Shit happens, you know what I'm saying? We worked through it. It was eventful, to say the least, you know what I'm saying? Still a good time with the family and shit, but would have enjoyed it more if we had water. You feel what I'm saying? But, you know, count your blessings, man. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, we were blessed enough to have, you know what I'm saying, the ability to pay to have that shit fixed, and, you know what I'm saying, ain't going too crazy and nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? So we blessed on that end of shit. So just count your blessings where they at, good, bad, or indifferent. You feel what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, not everything lands on the good side of the spectrum, but even if it lands on the bad side of the spectrum, don't mean it needs to be counted as a, you know what I'm saying, a bad. God damn, what kind of buggers? Yeah, anyways, man. So just remember that, man. It's all about perspective. You know what I'm saying? And I'm blessed. I had a good time with my family this whole weekend and shit like that. And yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. I know I didn't get out another episode. I have a whole one recorded. I just didn't edit it. Hopefully this one gets recorded and edited. I'm going to try to do that shit right now before I go to work. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all tapping in. Love y'all. See y'all next one.